I know, you want to get together with other people. Maybe not right now, but at some point in the future, you're probably going to need to do that, whether you belong to a club, an organization, maybe your group wants to hold an event. Have you thought about which service you're going to use to coordinate that event? In the past, I've used Eventbrite. I've been using it so long. I remember when it was called Mollyguard. Anybody else? They actually just announced integration with Eventbrite and WordPress today. I don't know if you guys heard the news, but it comes in conjunction with this article that we posted on Lockerdome. 5 sites for coordinating events. And if you thought that Eventbrite was the beginning and the end of event coordination online, you would be mistaken. I've also used Twitbite in the past. Brown Paper Tickets, which is more of a roll your own. Ping is another one. And then Facebook Events. I use them a few times, but I discovered they didn't offer enough control. I understand that a lot of the world is on Facebook, but it just didn't allow me to really manage tickets the way that I wanted to manage them. Of course, there are online events that you can coordinate, and you would have a different set of needs and resources for online events. Webinars, for one, could be coordinated through these web services that I discussed, but online events are usually different and have a different set of needs than the traditional offline events. So, really, I gotta ask, if you've been a part of any event and you've jumped through a million hoops for registration, have you found one to be really, really good, one of these services, or really, really bad? I think that more than anything, it's all about making it easy for the person who's actually attending. And not just for the person who's coordinating the event. Having coordinated many online and offline events, I've found that, the easier it is for the person who's attending, the happier I am. Eventbrite has probably been the most comprehensive for me in terms of services that it offers for me to pass along to everybody else. So really, I'm curious to know if you guys had anything else to possibly add, so that the next time I need to do something with coordinating an event, either online or offline, may take a look at yours rather than the ones that we've listed here in our top 5. And just to make sure that people can see it, I'm going to go ahead and +1 it, just like Harry Creeder, Sean Jordan, Skylar Johnson, Jamie Bouch, and Stacey Ferris have done. Hopefully, even if you aren't coordinating events, you can pass this on to someone who does.